Mr. Sharp, can you tell us about what the bond project has done overall or will do overall for Kofa as a campus?
Oh, absolutely. Initially, right out of the chute, the pride that has come through with the students, taking care of our facilities, asking questions about how this came about. Really wanting to know how this all happened for us, and they say that we're a poor school and this and that, but all the kids are like, man, this is a really cool place. Have you seen Building 4 they're talking about? So I'm like, oh yeah, I've been in there a couple times. But so initially overall pride, but then we start talking about the different collaborative spaces that we have within Building 4, within our hospitality room, where teachers can get together, where teachers can get together with students, where students can get together and really expand and start talking about their learning and really move the collaborative efforts forward that we're trying to really move towards. In our music and audio production room, there's going to be somebody come out of there that's going to be somebody big and somebody real big, because it's just state of the art facilities, just amazing. And then of course our culinary arts, ridiculous. I mean, I've heard it's the best kitchen in Yuma. So the experience, the real world experience that the kids are getting in real world facilities that they're able to put their work towards and be able to really think about and to really experience what it's like to be out in the real world, that just, to me, that just speaks volumes for our community and for the pride that the community has in our schools and our students.